Our experienced team knows the importance of a durable, strong backing plate for optimal pad and tool performance. Lake Country backing plates are made from an extra soft polyurethane to conform to panels while maintaining a perfect balance and performance.
The unique polyurethane density allows the user to adjust pressure to fit their preferred technique. Premium molded, high-strength backing plates offer a full range of sizes and shapes for a variety of tools and applications. LC backing plates are highly flexible and agile, so they'll provide a different feel than an extra soft polyurethane plate. They're also perfectly balanced and offer a universal fit with several thread options. And while our molded urethane plates are more rigid and dense material, they do offer a very flexible option when polishing concave or very curved panels. Lake Country plates offer a balance of structure and flexibility, offering increased performance in all industries including composites. The yellow urethane rotary backing plates are made of a high-strength material that helps absorb the heat created while also allowing for flexibility over buffing surfaces. The white, ultra-dense urethane in our extra soft rotary edge backing plates is extremely durable and can easily glide over all surfaces. Lake Country also manufactures yellow urethane backing plates for DA polishers in a variety of sizes. Check out our Lake Country website or our catalog to see all of our backing plate options.
Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.